everyone, it is Sam's Club haul day, and honestly most of what I needed to stock up on for our meal plan for this week came from Sam's. You saw a couple pieces from Aldi and Walmart yesterday. I'll link that up here so that you can go back and watch that. But most of the bulk of our meal plan came from Sam's. So the first portion right here, we picked up one more bag of the red potatoes. These are actually really good and they're cheaper than some of the other potatoes. And we have found that you can cut these up into 16s and put them in your air fryer, spritz them with, or cover them in seasoned salt, pepper. Forgot to buy seasoned salt today. Just now thought of that. Seasoned salt, pepper, or sea salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, which is what I'm going to have to do until next week. And pepper, and spritz it with baking or with cooking spray and air fry them for 15-20 minutes, or you can also set them on the grill setting. Really good. We also picked up strawberries this week. It was actually the cheapest of the berries in the fresh fruit section. We still had a couple of apples that we're trying to finish off, and we may also switch back to some bananas. For our pasta for this week, you can get the box that has like 2 spaghetti, 2 penne, and 2 elbow macaroni. But the elbow macaroni, like just elbow macaroni boxes, are cheaper, so we decided that for now, when we're trying to save on budget, we're going to just do the elbow macaroni. I know I just said save on budget and then I bought this for dinner, but I also still need some easy dinners, guys, just through this week. And I ended up going ahead and picking up the boneless chicken bites, and we're going to have these 2 bags of the Honeycrisp chopped salad to go with it. We haven't tried this one, but we've tried some of they rotate these flavors out with the different seasons. They had one back in the fall that had like apples in it. We're going to try it and see how well this works, but I thought honey citrus with the barbecue chicken sounded really good. These beef sausage sticks are for Matt for his stock up for his lunches, and then he also sometimes snacks on these when he's not at work. And sometimes at work I'll do them for breakfast instead, and then send something else for lunch. General Tso's chicken and the orange chicken are, I just realized only one, are they both Members Mark? No, only that one's Members Mark. We've tried both of these though. They're really good, but one of these is not enough to feed a family of 6 for a whole meal. So I went ahead and bought both. We're just going to make both boxes, and 2 is too much for a family of 6. So we'll have some leftovers. And then again, you saw the other half of it yesterday in the Aldi and Sam's haul, which is why I said yesterday in yesterday's video, if you saw it when the day it went up, that it was kind of split. And that's just kind of how we grocery shop, because Aldi and Sam are so close together, and sometimes it's just easier to piece our meals together that way. We're also, as easy breakfast for Saturday and Sunday, going to do these mini quiche assortments. They have 2 flavors, 24 ham and cheese, and then 2 spinach and something, probably ricotta. That we're going to do half of it for Saturday, half for Sunday. These real bacon crumbles make it easy if I don't have a protein made and we're making a meal that just needs something protein added to it. I add those to it. We also have 1 big bag of the Caesar salad, 2 twin packs of ground beef. These will actually make 4 meals, each of these sections being 1 meal. One of these may end up being a brown it ahead and freeze it to use for like emergency meal later on. Yeah, I have plans for like at least 3 of these sections, 4th if I need it. But yeah, I actually was like in shock that we needed that much meat, but it's also still a lot cheaper to get it at Sam's than anywhere else in our area. And last but not least, we went ahead and picked up our corned beef brisket for St. Patrick's Day. And we're actually not going to do it on St. Patrick's Day. We're going to do it the day after, and this will actually hold until then. But yeah, we're looking forward to doing our yearly corned beef brisket with cabbage. And that is it for Sam's Club today. Thank you so much, members, for supporting our content and for allowing us to continue making videos. Thank you to all of you for liking, watching, and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.